Hi viewers, once again, Love at That Family TV has come again. I've come to cry. Do you know why I'm crying? Davido, I want you to share this post until you get to Chioma and Davido. Davido, is it what we accepted? Is this what we accepted? Is that the reason? You just came. You came to our place. You do the thing. Nyanga, 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 nyanga. Now, you see the celebration. See how this is the celebration. Do you know that a whole me like this, I come to Davido's wedding. I was not recognized. Davido, you don't forget that Chioma has senior sister. You forget Chioma's senior sister. You don't even snap with me. You don't even ask people to take care of me. Davido, is it good? Is it one good? Chioma one name. Chioma, if the chassis busy that day, say, you don't even remember me again. Chioma, when they get because you recognize him. You recognize him. Davido, Manuel, Davido, waiting. Kilo day, kilo shele. Waiting happen. Why? I'd ask you why. Number one, you don't give me good invitation. I still manage myself upon the rain, upon the flood. I can't come. I can't sit down. I was not entertained. Why? But me, I carry plenty food to go home. Hey, David, I carry plenty food though. The thing too much, if your wedding fine, not be small thing. And not be small thing. Then I have advice to give to young ladies. If God have shown you your own husband, you have somebody that you can imagine how far. These people, they are common schoolmates. And end up in becoming best lovers. Not only that they are best lovers, they are also parents. No matter even upon what happened before. Do you know why I think I like Davido more? Not because I'm Davido's fans, but because of what Davido did when the child died. It didn't matter. He still went and did what he's supposed to do, and Chioma become a wife. Now, see the celebration. Everybody know that Davido is happy. Davido, you say something that makes me happy. Watch Davido video where Davido said that Chioma can cook. Igbo ladies, this goes to you. Cooking is something that they know us with. Ndi Igbo ndị banyị, that's why nji asị ụmụ nwanyị. Unu na-akpa agwa ọfụma. Igbo mewekwana na ọfụma. People, Davido left all the cheap girls. They can pay more money. He come to the states where they pay the highest in dowry, highest in. Your wife is expensive, yet you paid for it because you want her, because you love her. And that's one thing that made us to say, up David, OBO, congratulations once again.